Sunday saw the Government Centre for COVID-19 asking people to continue to adhere to wearing masks and to keep to social distancing. This as they announced that the number of new cases has flattened for a few days in a row. Just 32 new cases were reported in one day, 29 of which were in or near the capital, with a total to date, around the nation, of 2,795. Remembering that more than 50% of those have already recovered and been sent home. The numbers at least are good news for sure, but experts are being cautious too, remembering that one of the factors that has allowed the numbers to dwindle is the ban on most arrivals here from abroad, where the virus has had a much stronger hold. As an isolated nation, Thailand really is holding its own, but at the cost of tourism in the near future. If May the 1st sees more businesses allowed to open in a progressive but staged manner, hotels won't care if they're top of the list, since the chances of renting out rooms are negligible. Sadly, though, that will see most who are unemployed now continue without incomes from the tourist sector. New laws go into effect as of today, allowing the government to budget for an extra 1.9 trillion baht to battle the effects of COVID-19. Public health, job creation and support for small and medium-sized businesses, those are all part of the programme. Unless there's a change of heart, and we're told that's unlikely, many foreign business operators are already borrowing against their own property to survive, and more plan to do so as the entertainment and leisure industry will be the last to rebound. Currency exchange booths are mostly closed for health reasons, but the actual business of exchange nationwide is down a whacking 95%. This as most don't have any cash now but are using ATM cards. Nearly all ATM cards and credit cards work here, which is good news, and it's an easy though slightly more effective method for instant cash transfers. The Chonburi governor launched new regulations for those giving away free food to the poor. As more and more people try to help the less fortunate, it's now important that they make the police or city hall aware of their plans ahead of time. Checks need to be done to make sure there's a provision for safety, as queues have been hundreds deep in many instances. The wearing of masks, use of gel and establishing a safe distance plan must be adhered to too, otherwise there's a chance that people will be giving with one hand and taking back with the other without realising. In addition to crowd control, those giving food need to be wearing masks and hygienic gloves for their own benefit, and turnaround is encouraged to be brisk to see people get their food and leave quickly. Pattaya's malls are expecting that they'll be the first of businesses to reopen. Most in the city have advised vendors to get their stores and stands clean in order for a possible 1st of May relaunch. Good news for many employed in those places if it happens. Meanwhile, the malls will be staffed to discourage social interaction and encourage distancing for shoppers. And Fabulous 103 FM has launched a Go Get funding page for those who have kindly asked how to donate cash to our fund for the poor. It's a simple process. You just visit gogetfunding.com and search for Fabulous 103. And details are on our website and Facebook today. The money will be spent on food, and the food then will be given to numerous organisations and businesses who are giving away food around the region. So it's like a collection bank. Any amount, large or small, is welcome, as the unemployment here is not going to go away anytime soon. And with the reminder, mitts, masks and meters. Wash your hands, wear a mask and keep social distances. And the Met Office promising highs today of 33, but with a real feel of 40, dropping down to 27 tonight, and a good chance of rain at any time. That is the local and national news from Fab FM. For videos and of course to keep up with Fabulous Pattaya, visit alwayspataya.com.